to Never-Ending Stories with Elias. Today we're going to be reading Blippi at the Construction Site. It's a very fun book about learning construction vehicles, so let's get reading! Blippi at the Construction Site. Illustrated by Adam Devaney. Designed by Andrew Barthelmess. Look where I am! I'm in an excavator on a construction site. The bucket on an excavator can scoop dirt out of the ground. I love bulldozers. They can push anything out of their way. Do the bulldozer dance. Bulldozers are so amazing. They make me want to dance. Come on, dance like a bulldozer with me. Raise up your hands and arms and act like you have a bulldozer blade. Then move your feet like bulldozer tracks. Look! An excavator is loading rocks into a dump truck. Now the dump truck is dumping out the rocks. Want to hear how it sounds? Check out this backhoe. It has a bucket in the front and a bucket in the back. The front bucket is really big. The backhoe dance. Now it's time for the backhoe dance. Let's dance like the front bucket of a backhoe first. Raise and lower your arms in front of you. Now, let's dance like the back bucket of a backhoe. The end. All right, guys. Well, I had so much fun reading the book with you. I enjoyed it. I hope you did too. And remember, you can rewind my book if you want to learn backhoe and bulldozer dance. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel if you want to read more books with me. And remember, the magic starts when you turn the page. Bye, story fans!